Hey guys, I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha. Welcome to my channel. Today's dish is rosemary potatoes. Colored rosemary potatoes for today. Well, for this dish you'll need fresh rosemary, some salt, one large potato, and red food color. So we'll start off by finely chopping our rosemary. Then slicing our potatoes into thin slices so that it can cook very evenly. For mine, they're not so perfect because I did it by hand. If you have a machine slicer, you could just use it. Then from there, we're going to add our chopped rosemary and our food color. As you can see, we have added our rosemary and our food color and some water too. The food color must work together with the water so that it can release the color. And in our sufuria, we're going to add some oil and leave it to preheat for some time. Then we'll dust off the excess water and place it on a clean plate. This is so that the water will not react with the hot oil as we dip it. So you'll have to drain it. Our hot oil is ready and we're going to fry our potatoes. At this stage, you're going to see that some rosemary will come out of the potatoes, but this should not worry you at all. This is because the rosemary will also be frying at the same time, so as we remove our potatoes, we're going to remove them as well and place them on top of the potatoes. So we'll leave them to fry. As you can see, they absorb the red color and look so beautiful. Of course, there can never be Christmas without color. Without color, there's no Christmas. So your potatoes, you can decorate them with green, yellow, any color that you wish, and I promise you, your children will love it. And not only your children, but also you yourself, you will love these potatoes. The combination of rosemary and potatoes is just awesome. You have to try this. Don't forget to comment down below and hit a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet in our next video. Love ya!